Welcome to planetgoals.com. In the previous tutorial, we learned how to list all the articles in a page. Once the article is created, it will list all the articles on a page. Now, we will do some more modifications on this. Now you see the article which was created uh, is listed on this page first. The last article created is listed at last. What if we want to change the sort order? Once if I suppose update article 4, anything in article 4, it should come on top. If I want anything last created or updated, it should come right on top in the list. For that, we can add a sort order using views. We will go back to views, and you will see the sort criteria not defined yet. So we can click on this plus button here to define a sort criteria. You can select node post date, or we can also use updated date, node updated date. Add in descending order as we want the latest one to show on top. Update the default, and as I always said, make sure you save it. Okay, you'll see that article 5 is appearing on top. I made some changes in article 1, 2, 3, 4 in that order. Henceforth it is now what I'll do is I will make some changes in article 2. See, I'll just add like 2 dots here and I'll save it. I'll come back to the article page and you'll see the article 2 is appearing on top. Anything updated would appear on top. We can also put it as we can also put the sort criteria on post date. For example, if I put node post date and I will remove the updated one. Hold on. I'll just keep it as node post date. I'll add it, I'll put it as descending order and I'll update it. I'll save it now. Okay, I believe it's some problem. You'll see article 54321 appearing on the site as it was posted. Make sure you just keep one sort criteria. It depends, you can also keep 2. It will take the priority. If you want the updated one to show on top, it will take the updated priority first and then it will take the post priority first. I've just kept post date now, so it is just showing post. Okay, this is one feature in view. Now I'll tell you one more thing, that there are 5 articles currently in the site has the authors. I've kept author 1 for 3 articles and author 2 as author 2 for 2 articles. So what if I just want to list articles with author 1 name? I can add a filter clicking on the plus button on filters link. You can click on content author field, click on add. Now it should be equal to author 1, so you can put author 1, which would just list author 1 articles on your page. You see article 321 has author 1. Articles with author 2 is not listed anymore. We can make two links here. Article with author 1, second would be article with author 2. For example, I'll change it to author 2 now. Update and save. Here we go, we just see article with author 2 now. I believe you are getting it. We have the author name here. We had entered an author name for each article. If we put author 1, it would come under the list of author 1. This is how we can create a filter accordingly. We can make as many links, we can put subsections, we can add subsections. I would explain you better in the next tutorial. I believe this is it for this tutorial. Thank you.